Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text color in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you can see here many slides. You want to change text color or font color. Firstly, click inside a text box. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Now you want to change the font color, select the font color drop down menu. You can see here many color. You want to change any color, select the color. Now I am change the red color. You can applying the same process in another font. Now I am select the text and applying any color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.